Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining, everybody. I'm Baba Money. Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone is doing well today. I'm about to go long here, pandas. I'm about to go long here. Don't mind if I do. Honestly, though, today, pandas, how we feeling? How we feeling today? Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. TGIF, thank God it's Friday, Friday, Friday. And we finally made it here, pandas. Bruised and tattered, but pandas, we are here and well and alive. And we are going at it again every single day. Here we are, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Traded a Nascraq. Trading the Nascraq. I think I'll stick around. I think I'll stick around in the holidays. We'll stream. We shall stream, pandas. We shall sure duly do stream. It'll pop up. Let's see the daily chart real quick. Wow. Wow. Just wow. I mean, we're hitting our heads right on this trend line. It's like perfectly on it. It's like perfectly on this trend line. Weekly chart, what do we got? It's end of the week. We could come back to a 20 EMA. I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah, we got an IOO pattern here. IOO. That's crazy. IOO breaks to the upside. Strong bull bar. Pause bar. No follow through. Hitting the top of this channel on the weekly. The weekly chart channel is just insane-o. It's even crazier than the daily chart channel. This is the weekly chart, so we're going back. We're going back beginning of last year, so as in like 2023. Beginning of 2023, we've been on this uptrend. It's a miracle. It's a deep pullback, but yeah, Santa Claus rally. Never, never, never go against the Santa Claus rally. Something like this one. Something like that. Pandas. Hope you guys are doing well. Pandas, are you ready? Are you ready? All right. What are the rules right now? What are the rules right now? If we go beneath How about 3 losses? 3 loss differential. We're going to pick and choose our trades as careful as possible. 3 loss differential. How about that? Is that a good rule? I think that's a pretty good rule. And to keep myself accountable, I'll keep a record. I'll keep a record of how many wins and losses we have today. How about that? How about that? How do you like them apples? Yeah? How do you like them apples? Win-loss. How do you like them apples? Let's try that. Benali Hawk. Good morning, Day Trader. Good morning, Gio. Good morning, Hugh. What'd you get Mrs. Panda for Christmas? Crap. Nice furry abs. Nice furry abs. It's actually a good question. Oh, man. It's actually a good question. How about turn that back to you and ask you, what did you get for your significant other? How about that? It's been a busy couple last weeks. I'm not gonna lie. Last couple weeks have been pretty busy. Market's about to open. 3.5 minutes. Good morning, guys. 71% of you guys think it's going to be a bull trend day today. Interesting. Very interesting. It wouldn't be a surprise, though. I mean, look at this. Look at the 2500 tick chart. We are just like... We are creating an ascending wedge. But this ascending wedge is not that wedgy. Is it? I mean, I guess we could make it more wedgy. We're staying above the 20 MA. We're going up and down, up and down. Basically, I time this perfectly here. I'm usually for like filling the gap here. But looking at the daily chart, we're basically creating we got an OI pattern. We're breaking down to the downside. It could push down pretty hard early on, but right now, the immediate price action looks quite bullish. This is the 500 tick chart. See the 500 tick chart, the 2500 tick chart, very similar. Of course, right? Because they're both tick charts. One's just 5 times bigger than the other. Why did I choose 5 times the size for my high time frame, my higher time frame? Well, because the market is fractal, and a very popular time frame to use is the daily chart and the weekly chart. But remember, a weekly chart in trading is only 5 days. So I make the chart 5 times larger for the higher time frame, right? If you look at a daily chart, typically you look at a weekly chart. And that ratio should be good for all time frames, in my opinion. Because the market's fractal. All right, so what do we got here? We're going to push down here, coming back to the bottom of this wedge. I mean, I could be wrong. Could be pushed to the downside. Who knows? Hugh says she likes to hunt for shark teeth, so I got her fish wader outfit that's waterproof so she can do her hobby and stay dry. Plus, This nice electric blanket. I thought I was going to be able to get some clues from you, but that is not helpful at all. That is a very... Maybe I should get her... I, I thought I could get some help. That's very sweet, but that was not helpful at all. Thank you so much. Oh, I hope she loves it. I'm sure she's going to. I mean, it's like you do something to help your wife with her hobbies. It's better than getting like a vacuum cleaner, saying, "Hey, honey, look, look. I got you a vacuum cleaner, so it's easier to clean the house." How awesome is that? Unless her hobby is cleaning. Unless her hobby is cleaning, like she like really enjoys it. Yeah, you're treading in dangerous waters there. All right, 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. We are opening beneath down here. Sharp push to the downside. Trap trade right off the bat. I'm going to sit on my pause here a little bit. And going to assume this trap may fail. I could be wrong here. This could be the trade of the day. Hey, let's just try. Let's see if we can get like the trade of the day here. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, no trade. Whoa, 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 whoa. No trade of the day. Fail of the day. That's what that was. That's the fail of the day. Interesting. Swing traders are still in the short. Okay. Ooh, higher low. Ugly signal bar though. But I like the higher low coming back into our wedge. Fail second entry short is probably my best setup here. Or is this the push down now? Or is this the push down now? Little push down, little snap down. Okay, we're making new. Now we need another fail second entry short. Second entry long on the 2500 tick chart. Second entry long on the 2500 tick chart. Second entry long here. All right, two pushes down on the 2500 tick. But so choppy, pandas. So choppy. Now the risk is getting larger. Trap trade to the downside. Cannot take this trap. Maybe can take a failed trap, but not this trap itself. Now we're above the 20 MA. Definitely not taking it. Okay, we're in this channel here actually. Let's just wait and see what happens. Typically, you wait for the channel to break one way or the other. Okay, looks like the trap is actually good. Jeez Louise. Come back to the top of this channel, perhaps. Looks like a channel pointing to the downside. Ooh. Interesting. Don't be mad at me. Don't be mad at me trying to get all the marbles here. Don't be mad at me trying to get all the marbles here. It looks really ugly. It looks very ugly right now. Okay, you gotta be careful here. You don't necessarily want to bounce up here because we missed it already. And now we're back down to the downside. So this could break to the downside here. It could. Interesting. What price action is this? Give me fail second entry short, I'll take it. Fail second entry short, pandas. Shall we? Shall we dance? Wow. Alright. Give it to me. Just give it to me. Give it to me like how it is. We're in this trade. I mean, I could take the huge risk. Then I need to get huge reward, you know what I mean, pandas? If I'm willing to risk this much, I need like a big reward here. I need a really big reward. If I'm willing to risk this much, I need big reward here. Yikes, alright. Okay. I'm certain I'm gonna get hit here. Pretty certain I'm gonna get hit here. Pretty certain I'm not gonna get hit here. Complete trading range. I should have gone short right here. I should be coming out break even at this point. It's obviously super trading range right now. Diamond cojones time. Could have came up break even at any point. That's some huge risk. Right, you gotta get at least the actual risk here. You gotta get at least the actual risk you took. In my opinion here. Coming down. Still at my original risk here. Alright, takes me out. Wowzers. I should have came out break even. And I should have just reversed it because of how choppy we were. That's tough. Take good morning. Get her a picture of Ronda Rousey. A framed picture. Like a life-size picture. How about that? Bob Stocks and Marpan has shaken off yesterday. Lost 17 trillion USD. I'm giving up trading. GFFA. What's that mean? Some women like the 2025 911 GT3Rs. You could always get her that. That's a great gift. Completely not selfish. Just 100% for her. And we are back up here in these levels. What does it mean? I have no idea. Like, your actual risk is here. Wow. Alright. I almost want to go short. And I'm glad I didn't. Man, doesn't that suck? Right. It just wants to come down one more time to take you out. You always miss that timing by like one candle. Seriously, when it comes to trading. It's that one candle that makes all the difference. Oh, jeez. I wanted that scalp. Couldn't get it. I got a strong bull bar on 2500 tick chart. We made a new high here, as you can see. Right. I mean, look at it. This is not pretty. I'll tell you that much. I'll tell you what. This is not pretty at all. Let's see what happens here. I'm curious. It's just a monster push up right now. Really a failed trap setup, right? 2500 tick chart, failed trap. If I actually held my like stop loss down here, which is like I guess appropriate stop loss for this trade, I could have made some bamboo. I could have really made, or at least underneath this inside bar. Wow, that's tough though. That's really tough to just jump in like that. And to have such a wide stop. I mean, we're just rocketing here. Never short a breakout. That's what Albrook says. I guess we take a pullback if we get one. I'll take a small pullback. Okay, I'm in a pullback here. Can I get... Oh, it's too big. It's too big. I'm 0-1. I'm 0-2 right now, Pandas. My next trade that needs to be a winner. I have a 3-loss differential. That's what I'm aiming for right now. Let's get it. Let's get it. Uh-oh. That's not a good sign. Limit order bulls need to come in right now and save this. Limit order bulls need to come in right now and save this trade. Oh, man. Come on, limit order bulls. Where are you? No. Don't. Oh, that's 3 losses. I'm already 0-3. What in the world? Do we call it a day, Pandas? Should I switch to sim? To prevent, like, ultimate destruction? To prevent ultimate destruction, should I just trade to sim? Jump to sim? Wow, second entry long. Jeez. I mean, look at this bull bar in the 5-minute chart. If I had to ask you, like, you know, are we going to break the high here before breaking this low? What would you say? Like, what are the chances of that? 99% chance? What a push down. Somehow Albrooks would have called that. Said, nope, this is reversing for sure. Somehow he would have called that. What price action. What a move up. And just reverses here. Very hard to time that as well. I mean, I should call it a day. I should call it a day, Pandas. I should call it a day. Technically, I should call it a day. I'm 0-3. I said, 3-loss differential. And we're already at 3-loss differential. First 3 trades. Down 1K. We're down $1,000. Pandas. Risk of ruin here. Is it worth continuing to trade or should we jump to sim? What are we doing here, Pandas? The first one never counts. Ah. I mean, look at this move. You're expecting another push up. How in the world? That's crazy. I mean, look at this move up. You're expecting another push up. I just don't know. Maybe it was exhaustive. I mean, obviously it is exhaustive. Look at the 5-minute chart. Just one big bull bar and literally gets retraced immediately. That means the limit order bears had the upper hand here, and all of the bulls just took out their profits at the end of that bull bar. What are the chances? What are the chances? Goodness gracious. We're still thinking about going long here, pandas. Is the question. Give me one more trade. Pandas, give me one more trade to end them all. One more trade. Give me one more trade, pandas. That's all I ask for. Just one simple, one more trade. That's all I need. Trap fails. Reverses. Double reversal. Second entry short. So that's a hidden second entry short now. I have to try. It's coming off our trend line. It's coming off our trend line, also 20 EMA on a downtrend. 0-4. Pandas. Should we go for just 5? How about 5? 5 trade differential. That would be it. That would 5. This rule's not making this rule's it doesn't. If I can't keep it, what's the point? What's the point of keeping the 3-point differential, pandas? We got plenty of threshold. This was tough. Even the failed trap doesn't really work out for you very well, to be honest. Okay. Fortunately, takes me out before it goes the way I want it to go. Fortunately, taking the second entry short with a nice signal bar coming off our trend line and 20 EMA was not the right trade. I mean, I thought it was worth taking, no? It was worth taking, no? Or was this undershoot? I should have considered undershoot, maybe needed to overshoot. It's a lot of things. A lot of things to consider here, pandas. What a push down. Most likely gonna... Yep, already broke this low. You know... It wanted one more push up before really taking me out. It's one of those days you trade... You actually enter in your stop loss. You know what I mean, pandas? You enter where your stop loss would be and you would make money today. Jeez Louise. What is that? What is that? Seriously, what is that? 2500 tick chart. Making a second entry long, but strong bear bars. Very strong bear bars. Jeez, look at this pop up. It's a straight up limit order market, like super limit order market. I gotta buy here. I gotta buy the bottom of this super strong bull bar. I gotta buy the bottom of this bear bar on the 5-minute chart. Right? If this is a strong bear bar, I gotta just buy it. Just because we've been in a trading range. I think I'm gonna buy the bottom of the bear bar. Look at this. If I asked you, will we break? If all you saw was this, and I asked you, Will we break this high or this low? How much would you bet? How much money would you bet? Break this high or break this low? How much money would you put on that? On the next candle. We break the low before we break this high. Insanity, pandas. Insanity. Balancing out the 240 SMA here. Overshoot, leading to the undershoot. Do I have the cojones to even try this? Do I have the cojones to even try this right now? What was I thinking? What was I thinking? Why did I think on the strong bear bar we were going to reverse? Just like this. Why would I think on the strong bull bar we would reverse? What was I thinking, pandas? I don't want to go on tilt here, pandas, but we are 0-5. Oh and 5 right now. Ooh. This is getting painful. This is getting painful. I guess it's just fun to keep a record up, so we can just keep track. In the opening, a 50% chance this would reverse, I guess. Remember Albrook saying that. Second entry short. I'm taking fail second entry short here. I don't think we're going anywhere today. Wow. All right. Okay. Interesting. Fail second entry short. Where is it? Give me my fail second entry short right now, pandas. Give it to me. You would think it would give you a setup here. Shoot. Do I have to? I don't want to, but I may have to. Let's see here, pandas. We're going on full tilt right now.
Target filled.
Okay, we finally made a little bamboo today. It's actually possible to make bamboo today. Is that all we're getting? No runner? Wow. Whoa. Pandas. How in the world? Pandas, no way. How often do you dream of that happening? How often do you dream of that happening? Miss your stop by one single tick. And we're still alive. Pandas, we're still alive. Pandas is not over till it's over. It is not over till it's over. What? No way. This cannot actually be happening in real life. This cannot be real life here. Give me a little bit more.
Target filled.
I mean, I'll take it. I'll take it, pandas. I'll take it. Do we consider that one trade or two trades? Because I did 2 contracts. I got to consider it as one. Because I did a 2 contract before this, and I considered only one. We're 1 in 5. We're 1 in 5. But down 720. It's not even the worst. It's not even that bad, right, pandas? It's really not even that bad, is it? Is it that bad? I don't think it's that bad. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Did I even get a 1-to-1 on that? I didn't even get a 1-to-1 on that first one. I just got bamboo. I just wanted to win. But we're up 720. Did you see that, pandas? We literally, my stop loss was 1 tick above my entry, and we literally missed it by 1 tick. Let me show you where my, do you see this little blue arrow? You might not see it. It might be kind of small, but here it is. And the market went down literally 1 tick to it. That's absolutely incredible, pandas. I mean, that's what dreams are made of, you know what I mean? Like, how often does that happen? It's like, okay, I put my stop loss 1 tick above my entry just in case. How many times does it actually take you out and then go the way you want it to go? And it's just that, it's a Christmas miracle, pandas. We just saw it. If you didn't believe in Santa Claus, believe him now. That is a Christmas miracle. What in the world? And we actually are doing this overshoot and undershoot type situation here. Wow, what a market right now. What price action. Price action is absolutely insane mode right now. It's very, very straining to trade this. I'll tell you what. It's very, very straining to trade this. Should I even try? Should I be cheeky? Should I just already try to be cheeky here? Knowing that the market can be very, very cheeky itself. I myself may be cheeky. Keep going higher lows here, maybe. The 6 push up if it did. Let's be cheeky. We recognize this channel here. Let's try to be a little cheeky here. Let's try to get a little bit cheeks. Let's get a couple cheeks here if we can. Okay. Hopefully we can get a little cheeky here. Hopefully it does not come down to stop me out and stays within this channel. You know how like sometimes it's super annoying and it stays in this channel forever. You're kind of like, if I just bought and sold the top of this channel and the bottom and top of this channel, then I would have been a billionaire. Pandas, is it happening right now? We are 2 and 5. Pandas. You know what I'm saying? Like, how annoying is it when you're trapped out of these situations? You're kind of like, man, I wish I just wish I just went in. That's kind of what I was trying to do right here. I'm basically, my trading, we're gonna call this the annoying or the tilt trading technique. Everything that puts you on tilt, we're gonna do the opposite of that. You know what I mean, pandas? All those things that put you on tilt, like never coming to your level, always staying within a tight, super tight, small channel here. All those things, pandas. We're gonna use judo and flip it on itself and make money off the things that make us go on tilt. We're going to tilt the tilter. That's what this strategy is called. Tilt the tilt. You tilt so hard, you end up becoming profitable. Coming off the 20 EMA 2 times here, right? Micro double bottom here. Oh, what do I see here? Do I like anything here? I think the 5 minute, it could be in a trading range. Right, this could be the trading range of the day, of the entire day. It is Friday, and you know, honestly, the market may not do much. It may be in this trading range for a long time, basically in the range of this big bull bar. Even though we did get down here, you know, we came right back up into it. So we're gonna try to like make a couple theories and see which one has the most evidence. Okay, push down here. I mean, being down 520 is not that bad. It's not that bad, right, Pandas? Being down 520. That's like a normal day of losses. Remember, we made max yesterday. So it's not even that bad. Let me say good morning to a couple of my pandas as I was focused on trading. Tate says, get some coffee or tea. Wait for the next move. All right, good idea, actually. Turtle toes. I mean, whoops, oopsie, I hit Control Q, and now my cursor is crosshair. How do I fix it? I mean, is that even that bad? Gio says, take a glass of whiskey. Hugh says, I learned huge bars get reversed. As seen on TV. We're currently 2-5. Okay, 10 o'clock just hit, and there was a little spike. Must have been small news. Must have been a little small news. Never mind. Maybe it was just enough catalyst to push this market a certain way. Oh. Is this one of those days you just reverse strong bars? The only problem with this is that you need to have a wide stop to trade that style. It's so risky. Like, I might be happy with just walking away with minus 500. Especially if things are not more clear. Things are more confusing, actually. No. More confusing than ever. Interesting. Okay. Strong bull bar ending on its high on the 2500 tick. 2500 tick. Strong bull bar ending on its high. What is going on, pandas? Trap trade, but I don't know about that one, pandas. I don't know about that. Maybe come back to the top of the triangle? Maybe triangle's already broken. Just sitting on my paws, I don't know what's happening. Micro double bottom here. You can see micro double bottom. What is this trying to do right now? Is it trying to go up? Is this trying to go up? What kind of games are you playing with me right now? Maybe hit the top of the channel here? What kind of games are you playing with me right now? Should I? Pandas? Dare I? We're kind of back at the top of this channel. But notice how we break out beneath it. We might break out above it. Should I just go short here? As you can see, limit order bears knock this down. I mean, they might have made their profits and now are already out. Strong bull bar ending on its high. Big up, big down, big up. It just screams trading range, pandas. What can I say? It screams trading range to me. The question is, I feel like we're going to break out here. Maybe pop up. Fill the gap even. Come back down type situation. Maybe. Maybe. Strong bull bar now has follow through. We're breaking out of this trading range. Right, we broke beneath it, so we're probably breaking above it. But this screams trading range, right? Big up, big down, big up. It's screaming trading range to me. I'm hesitant to go along with the uptrend here. I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, that it can continue to go up. I mean, absolutely can do that. You know what I mean? But pandas, it's a bit confusing. It's a bit confusing. Make sense. I mean, most likely target, fill the gap. Daily chart, fill the gap. Interesting. Is it one of those you just keep buying until you lose? Every push up. Okay. It's the second entry long here. I guess. It's a silly trade. No, I can't. I cannot do it. I can't do it, Pan. I can't pull myself to do it. Let's just draw some lines. Make ourselves feel like we know what's happening. You know, draw a couple lines makes you feel like you know what's happening here. Let's draw a couple lines. Makes us feel good, you know. Makes us all happy. Warm inside. Okay, second entry long here. I actually would like it if it touched my trend line. Trap reversal at the top of a trading range. I was a little worried because we were still in this trading, like we're still in this channel going upwards. I didn't think that maybe could act as support. Maybe a lower high might get me interested here. A lower high might get me interested here, pandas. It would have to be a lower high. Now look at that. Looks like this reversal's failing. I'm interested, I guess. Quick scalp. I'll take the quick scalp, pandas. I'll take the quick scalp just because I have no idea what's happening. Pandas. 3 and 5. We're down only 320, pandas. Second entry short. Outside bar reversal. New low. Like I said, 5 minute. We broke above, but I'm not sure how long we're going to stay above, and we're actually closing beneath now in this trading range. We're back in the trading range here. Let's go short here. Maybe at the break of that, come back to the bottom trading range. It makes sense. It makes a lot of sense, but the risk is too large, and I think I'd rather try to jump in on the setup on the smaller time frame. Now that we kind of know what direction we're going. Second just short though. Jeez. Goodness! How do I do this? We're down 320, not that bad. We're down 320, not that bad. We're 3-5 right now. Our record's 3-5. I mean, it's not that bad, right? It's not that bad. Oh, eye pattern here. Okay. Probably want to wait till you hit the 20 EMA here. Pushing pretty strong up here. I'm going to try the first bounce off the 20 EMA. I feel like I'm going to lose this. It seems like the momentum is up right now. It looks like it wants to keep pushing up pretty hard. Yeah, it's not even giving me a chance to break a previous candle's low right now. It's not giving it... Wow, strong bull bars here. Most likely going to sell right here and hit the bottom of this bar. So it seems like it might happen. Or not. Or go up forever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bull bars in a row. I mean, you got to think like whatever pullback you have is going to be small at this point. 11 bull bars in a row. Make it 12 perhaps here. 12 bull bars in a row. 12 bull bars in a row. I gotta see the. I gotta take the higher. I gotta take the higher low. I gotta try. Small pullback. That's all it is. I gotta take the higher low. You know what I mean, Pandas? You gotta try here. Can we get 10 points? That was a question.
Target filled.
Pandas! Can you believe it? We're 4-5. We're absolutely 4-5 here. And Pandas, with one more trade, we will probably come out slightly positive today. Well, what were we down? Down 1,500? Something like that? We're down 1,500, Pandas. We're down 1,500. Taking that higher low because you had like 12 bull bars in a row. You got to try. You got to try right there. The 5 minutes interesting, right? Because now your second chance to try to hit the 20 MA. You tried once here. You try to reverse. You couldn't reverse, actually, and you come back up. Showing like pretty strong signs of bullishness. Trap trade too far away from 20 MA. Now it's a second bear bar here. It does pop up. Touch the 20 MA on the 5 minute chart. Are we going to fill the gap is the question now. Are we coming up to fill the gap here? Don't get married to any premise. I'm not going to assume we're going to fill the gap. I'll probably assume the opposite almost at this point. It still looks like a limit order market to me. Right, the 5 minute, even though we have the strong bull bar, the price action is telling me limit order market. You know, so I feel like there's a bunch of limit orders waiting around on these pivot highs. You know what I mean, Pandas? Is that just me? I mean, look at this bull bar getting reversed, getting absolutely folded here. But my mama told me never ever reverse a strong or a breakout. That's what my mama told me. Never reverse a breakout. So I'm not gonna reverse this breakout. But today's price action is screaming trading range limit order market. Like, are we gonna get the same kind of bars we did here? Like, is this gonna happen again here, where we have a strong bull bar and reverses, strong bull bar, reverses? Is that gonna happen here? Who knows? Nobody knows. Or are we gonna just blast off now? I think I'm gonna try to take the fail second entry long. Nah, we're above the 20 MA now. Trigger second entry long. Mid-air. It's popping up. Popping up. There's no telling what this can do today. I mean, maybe broad channel. Let's get rid of some of these lines. It's getting too much noise now. Let's just focus on this monstrosity right now. Let's just focus on this monstrosity. You know what I mean, pandas? Let's just focus on this monstrosity at the moment. It reminds me of Substance. Have you ever seen that movie, Substance? It kind of reminds me of that. It's just a monstrosity. Big down, big up, big down, big up. Some people might love this type of market. Some people might be making a lot of money in this market. To us, it's turning into more of a break even. Maybe break. I mean, I should just end it. I should just end it, right? Pandas, I should just end it right now. Second entry long, higher low. But look how choppy it's getting right here. Like, it is just maximum chop right now. Can you chop more than this? I don't think so. You can't chop more than that. There's no more chop you can do than that. Second entry long. Coming off the 20 MA. But look, there's no space here. No space. No space to make money. What are we doing here, Pandas? What are we really doing here? Pandas, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? Do you guys have plans for Christmas? Let me know in the chat if you do. Make sure you scalp that like button. By the way, I decided I'm going to stick around for the holidays. We're going to stream next week, Pandas. I'm going to try to stick around. Okay. It's doing something. It's doing something. Not exactly sure what it's doing, but it's doing something. Okay, staying above the 20 MA. Really not sure if this means much. Really not sure if it means much. Oh. I'm telling you, man, there's no telling what this market can do today. It's acting wild right now. It's wilding out. I'm telling you, this is a monstrosity right now. We are in this monstrosity called an ascending wedge. And it's huge. It's a broad ascending wedge. Why else? Like, I'm still waiting to stream on your channel. I mean, should we try, Pandas? It's been doing it for a while now. As you can see, we're clearly above the 20 MA now. We're having a tough time breaking beneath it. Creating a lot of pressure here. Consolidating. Right, breakout, consolidation. I mean, convention says it should go back to the bottom of this. Dare I? Dare I? Wow, it's really having a hard time getting beneath the 20 MA. I'll set on my pause. I'm not really interested in anything here. But it is having a hard time breaking beneath the 20 MA here. Like, it's showing signs of bullishness, but it is too slow. It is just too slow. I have no idea what's happening. Pandas. What's going on? We're trying to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. Right, the gap is right here. We need to fill. We're so close to filling it. Are we going to try to fill that gap? We're currently on the 20 MA trying to break through with a second entry short setup on the 5-minute chart. No clue what's happening here. I mean, we are clearly above the 20 MA. We just cannot break beneath it. It might just show signs that we are like ready to break out of this wedge here on the upside. I don't know though, pandas. Like, do you feel confident in anything here? I don't. Five pushes up here. I think it's one of those things you kind of just sit on your paws and just wait. I think it's just one of those things, you know. I don't think you make a move here. What if it's just like this the rest of the day? Literally just does this. Which on a Friday, the Friday before Christmas. I mean, anything can happen. Pan, is this the Friday before Christmas? Isn't that unbelievable? We are here at the end of the year. Cannot believe it. I guess Monday will be the Christmas stream, right? Monday? Has to be Monday, right? Because Christmas Eve is on Tuesday. Christmas stream is on Monday. I mean, I'll stream on Monday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay, we're pushing up here. I mean, pandas, I guess we're going up. I guess the market decided it wants to break out here. I guess. I don't know. It really wants to fill the gap now. Very close to filling the gap. Like, super close to filling the gap here. I mean, should I try? What if I just sell the gap? You know, one of those days that we're just literally reverses on the gap and just never comes back? What if I try that? I'm going to sell the gap here. It's a dumb trade, low probability trade here. But let's see if we can make some. Or should I just go for like just a scalp so I can get positive today?
Target.
I'm scared. I'm so scared. I'm too scared. Let's just not count that. That's a skunk. That's a skunk. We're not even gonna count that as a trade. It's a skunk trade. I got too scared. Maybe I should have held it. I don't know. Maybe been a good time to activate those diamond cojones, or maybe not. It looks like some push. I'll be very scared at this point to hold this trade. We filled the gap though on the 5-minute chart. I guess it was the obvious thing, but never get married to a premise. Seriously, getting married to a premise. It's like getting married to a woman that belongs to the streets. She's gonna take all your money. I don't know. Would you consider this a breakout? We had all of this consolidation here. Finally, kind of breaking out of it. I guess. Pandas. We're down 105. That feels like a win to me. Doesn't that almost feel like a win to you? It feels like a win to me. Right? We have a red day. You want the red days to be small. You want your green days to be big. We're currently 4 and 5. If I count the skunk, then 4, 5, and 1. Technically, I made money on that skunk. Is it no turning back right now? Are we just gonna just skyrocket? Do we break out of the consolidation? Bear trend rest of the day, or bull trend rest of the day? Right, it was hard to tell because like this looked like a trading range. Big up, big down, big up. And now we're just breaking out. It's a double reversal at the end, I guess. Jeez. I mean, that's tough to call. That's tough to predict, in my opinion. Really tough to predict. It's not even in the books for me. That's how crazy it is. It's not something I would consider. It's not like oh, I'm going to wait for the setup. Double reversal. You know what I mean, Pandas? By the way, Pandas, why did the market drop? Why did the market drop as it did? Fed announced that they're going to actually slow down on interest rate cuts, which means less stimulus for the economy. Like they basically announced it. So the market took that as really bad news and went down a couple percentage. That's really bad news, to be honest. But with the Trump administration, is there anything to be afraid of? Is there anything to be afraid of? Nor says markets like these make me question how guys like Max scout for only 1 point. Geo, thanks for joining. I'll see you on Monday. I mean, it's hard to trade. I don't know. I don't know what to do here. Do I just go long? Do I go long anywhere, everywhere? Like, we're currently trapped out of this super strong uptrend. It shows signs of being super strong when it couldn't break beneath the 20 MA. But when it consolidates for this long, Pandas, it gets scary. Taro tells us see you Monday. Hey, enjoy your Fridays, guys. I understand if you guys want to go a little early. I understand. Have a great weekend if you're gonna head out. 9 pushes up here. Do I just want to jump in? Okay, I guess I should just jump in. Are we getting 10 pushes up here? My mama said never reverse a breakout. That's what my mama said. My mama taught me. Alright, pandas, what do we got here? Woo! Woo! I guess I just gotta buy? Am I just buying here? Oh, I missed it. I missed the easy buy. I missed it. I sure doodly doo did. 10 pushes up. Press my luck here. Press my luck. 10 pushes up. Pressing my luck. Literally every single time it has pushed up higher. On the 10th push up, is it going to fail right when I want to enter in? Possibly fail. This one time I come in, it fails. The one time I come in, it fails. Yep, the one time I come in, it fails. Of course. Of course. The one time I come in, it fails. It's so late in trend. The one time I try, it fails, of course. The 10th push-up. Any other time, if I went in, I would have made money. But this one time, it fails. The time I come in. Of course. Of course. Four and six. Really, the one time I come in, it fails, and then it doesn't fail again. Wow. That's absolutely incredible. Like, what are chances of that? That's 10% chance, I guess. Alright, we're going long again. I don't even care. Santa Claus rally, here we come. Come to Papa. Just buy every bull bar. Buy any pullbacks. I just don't know how to get into this one. Alright, I'll just take a reversal up, I guess. Excuse me.
Target filled.
Easy trade, I guess. First bounce off the 20 MA. First entry off the 20 MA here. See if we make something of this. Starting to get a little bit sideways, a little bit choppy here. Hopefully we break through without a fuss. Ooh, second entry long. Do I want to extend my stop loss? That's a question. Do I want to scale in one time here? Scale in one time. I mean, you're thinking if it goes way far beneath this, like, you're wrong. If you're thinking it goes way far beneath this, you're wrong. Alright, let's try. Last trade of the stream. Most likely. Oh, reversing on me. First two-legged pullback off the 20 MA. May reverse on me. Possibly. Of course. The first second entry long off this huge sequence going up. Of course it's gonna reverse on me. Of course it would. Oh! Pans, I don't know what is more frustrating than that. The first, just 20 EMA. Is there anything more frustrating than that? First, second entry long off the 20 MA, of course would fail on this huge sequence up to two-leggy. So unreliable. What in the world? It's the most unreliable setup in the world. That's crazy. Now it goes up after one more push down. Jeez. All right, whatever. It is what it is. It is what it is, pandas. It is what it is. Could be entering trading range here now. Two-leggy broken. Both my legs are broken on the two-leggy. It's first, second entry long. I mean, coming off this huge sequence off the 20 MA. I mean, I just. What else? What else? What else could you ask for? High or low here. Probably a good setup here. That's wild. What do I do here now? What am I looking for? Trading range. Starting to form here. Do I just want the high or low here off the 20 MA? I lost this one. I won one, lost one. So right now we are 5 and 7. I might take this with wide stop. I don't know. Thinking we're like in his trading range. I want to buy down here again. I could get crushed. I could get crushed here. Okay, strong bull bar looks good for me.
Target filled.
Okay. Whatever. 6 and 7. We're down 400 though. We're down 400. Last trade of the stream. Here we go. Whoa. Pushes back down pretty hard. I'm glad it didn't trigger. Very glad it didn't trigger. Ooh, I'm very glad it didn't trigger. I still want it. I still want it. Of course I want it. Last trade of the stream. It's looking sus. It's looking so sus now. Looks like trading range behavior. But every time I skip it, it works. Every time I skip it, it works. And I skipped it, so it's probably gonna work. Every time I skip it, it works, huh? Oh. Second entry long again. Whatever. We're going for it. At least go for a one. Ah, it's gonna fail again. It's gonna fail again, isn't it? Do I want wide stop? Is this the time for a wide stop? Is this time for a wide stop? I can't say it is. I can't say it is. I feel like I want to stay above this pivot. I feel like I want to stay above this, stay around this pivot. Yeah, that's gonna get me here. Dang it, man, that is so frustrating. Another second entry long fails, essentially. There's a wide stop too. Jeez, how many points is that? I cannot win today. It's tough. I cannot win today. Second entry long. Beneath the 20 EMA. I mean, I cannot go short here, can I? It does not make sense. It does not make sense, does it? The uptrend is way too strong. The uptrend is way too strong here. I do not think I can go short here. Whatever. Oof. Uptrend is way too strong. I don't think I can go short here. But I actually would like it if we touch the trading range, the bottom of the trading range, before I go long. We don't hit the bottom of the trading range, we're going to fail trap here. This is mighty confusing. Alright, finally touch the bottom of the trading range. I could try. Maybe it's good I didn't enter there. I'm gonna try. Last attempt. Back up to the top of the trading range. It's looking okay. Looking okay, but I don't know if we're gonna get there. I could try to get a runner here, see what happens. But we gotta get here first. That's the first target. If we can't get here, I mean, we're done. We're done for today. We gotta get at least to that first target. It's looking okay for me. It's looking decent for me. Looking very decent for me. At any moment, this can go wham! Just reverse back down because we're in a trading range. At any moment, it can do that. To prevent a big loss, I can just come out, break even here if it does plan to do that. Ooh, so close. Okay, first target hit, pandas. That's good news for us. Very good news for us. Let's see if we can get a small breakout here. Let's see if we can get a small breakout, or are we just going to reverse back to the bottom of the trading range? The market is consolidating here a little bit. I'm not going to get much from this, unfortunately. It doesn't look like it wants to. And because it got knocked back down. When you get knocked back down at a key area like this, you got to assume it's going to do what it should do. You got to assume it's going to do what it should do. You know what I mean, pandas? I mean, I can dream here. Of course, pandas can dream, and we're gonna dream big. But pandas, dreams are meant to be dreams for a reason. They're called dreams for a reason here. They're called dreams for a reason here. Dreams are meant to come true. That is why. Come on, pandas. Come on. Come on. No. 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 Wait. The dream is still alive. Pandas, wait. If we break this Super Saiyan mode, if we break this high. Is my head unusually big today? Is my head unusually big for the stream? I don't know. Pandas, if we break this high, we're going Super Saiyan. If we break this high, we're going Super Saiyan. Pandas, mark my words. If we break this high, we're going Super Saiyan. Come on. Come on, break this high. Do not take me out. No. That's the wrong way. Break this high. We're going Super Saiyan, pandas. If we break, we just need to break this high. That's all we need. That's all we need, pandas. We're gonna come back to the bottom training range. Whoa, so close. It's not. It doesn't look as good as it did. But if it breaks this high, I'm going Super Saiyan anyways. We need to break this high, pandas, and that propel us. Pandas, come on, break this high. Come on. Oh my, so close. Pandas, we need to break this high right now. We need to break a previous candle's high. And it hasn't been able to do that since 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. It's going to stop me out, isn't it? Come on, runner. Maybe I should have assumed the runner wasn't going to go anywhere. How annoying is that, pandas? How annoying is that? Runner goes nowhere. In fact, people buy it up at the runner. The breakout area or the break-even area. I knew it was gonna bounce right when it takes me out. I knew it was gonna bounce. Pandas! We're coming to the bottom of the trading range again. 1, 2, 3, triple top. I mean, if it's gonna reverse, it's gonna reverse here. I'll take a failed second entry long for a failed, right? 1, 2, 3 failed attempts, triple top. I'll take a failed second entry long here. It failed to break out 3 times. I need a failed second entry long though. I will take no other setup. I honestly will take no other setup unless I get a failed second entry long. Oh, I don't care. I need a failed second entry long. This can go 1,000 points down now. I need a failed second entry long here. Okay, 1,000 points is exaggeration. I might jump in at 1,000 points. Triple failure. Our trading range continues. Now we're back in the trading range. This makes this really sus. It makes it ultra sus here. Makes it so sus. How sus can you get? How absolute sus can you get now? We're going to do the dumb thing and chase our losses. We're doing the dump. Oh, gotta get in. Maybe it's a good thing I couldn't get in. Now I'm like, ooh, I'm second guessing it. And the hesitation just killed me. That hesitation killed me. I could have entered. I want this to reverse now. I want this trap to fail. I want this trap to fail so bad. Because I missed it. I missed my opportunity. I want it to fail so bad, but I'm pretty sure it's going to go down. I mean, we already made the scalp, pandas. don't know. I don't know, Pandas. Trading range? Pure trading range here? I think I gotta go one contract here. And then scale in. Big stop loss, you know what I mean? Big stop loss. Like really big stop loss, I guess. $5-minute, right? The 5-minute is creating a trading range here. Hopefully get back to the top of these bodies. If not, I mean, this could really crash here. Who knows? Or we could shoot for the stars. Give me my bamboo. Give me my darn bamboo. I don't trust anything here now.
Target filled.
Let's give me my bamboo. I mean, what's the difference? What's really the difference? I could guarantee my bamboo, or I can just play around and just suffer. Pandas, I cannot tell you how frustrating. This is crazy. I mean, it's just pure trading range right now. I should sell. I mean, I should sell up here, no? But you know me, Pandas. I never do the right thing. I absolutely never do the right thing. We're breaking out, baby. We are absolutely breaking out here. Actually, give me a higher low. Give me a setup. Give me a setup. Give me something. North, this might be my largest comeback. I've come back for more. I've definitely come back from way more. Wow, look at that. Knocked back down to the top of this trading range. Should I sell at the top of this trading range? Should I just go for it? Should I just do the crazy thing and just sell here? Just sell it. Should I? Just sell it somewhere up here. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? What's the worst that can happen, right? Actually, I'm gonna see if it breaks out and reverses. I'll take the reversal. Not quite there. Not quite where I want it. Not quite where I want it, but definitely still in this trading range. I mean, should I try? Should I do like the dumb thing? No. You know what? A wise person has told me, do the smart thing, not the dumb thing. Was it The Office? Don't be an idiot. Some of the greatest advice someone gave me was, don't be an idiot. Now I think, would an idiot do this thing and then I don't do it? If the answer is yes, and I don't do it. Something along those lines. Second entry long, but pure limit order price action. Okay, we're popping up. We're popping up. Give me a reversal here. I'll take it. Give me a reversal here. I'll take it. I don't even care. I'll take it here, Pandas. I don't even care. I'll take it here. I mean, are we really gonna break out here? We have like four overlapping bars in a row. Are we really gonna break out here? 4 times. Yeah, I guess so. I guess we are. I guess we really are breaking out here. Okay, the question is, how do I jump into this madness? How do I jump into this madness, pandas? How am I jumping in? Just buy anywhere? Wide stop? Buy anywhere, wide stop? Okay. First entry long. Let's see if this makes money. First entry long. Let's see if this makes money. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa. Whoa. Good thing I was a patient little panda here. I may take a lower high coming back into this trading range. I'm going to take this lower high, pandas. And don't even blame me for it. Don't even blame me for trying this. Don't even blame me for coming back to our trading range. Do not blame me for that. Could you really blame me for going? For taking a lower high here? Okay, yes. Yes, you can blame me. Ooh, bouncing off our trend line, kinda. This is tough, this is tough, this is tough. Very tough decision here, pandas. You can only be right or wrong. You can only be right or wrong, pandas. It's only right or wrong, that's it. There's no in between. You're either right or you're wrong here. It's $1 million question. On the 5-minute 5-minute chart, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 overlapping bars in a row, which made me feel like we're gonna reverse back into here, into this trading range, which we are. That lower high was the answer. That lower high was the answer. I mean, we're gonna push down here. I mean, unless this is a bear trap here, but I don't know. This is a bear trap. I don't know. It's a toughie. It surely diddly do is. Being down 490 is not even that bad, right, pandas? Being down 490 is not that bad. Being down 490 is not that bad. Don't even lie. Don't even lie. It's not that bad. It's not the worst. But so far it's doing like a failed breakout here. So it's like, you know, you got to kind of trade it like a failed breakout. Let's do that. Only problem is, are we going to get our setup as a failed second entry long? If we get a failed second entry long, we win double. Hello. Hello. We're in this trade. Prematurely, of course. Of course, prematurely. But we're going to do it anyways. Do I want a wider stop is the question. Ooh. Ooh. Do I want a wider stop is the question. Do I really want to play with fire here? Alright, we're in. Coming back to the bottom of the trading range, I presume. And if we don't, then we just got bamboozled out of our... Absolutely out of our minds. We got bamboozled out of our little teeny panda brains. We got bamboozled if we get stopped out here. Absolutely bamboozled here if we do get stopped out. I mean, nothing I can do about it. I gotta take that setup. Coming back to the bottom of the trading range, I gotta try. We get absolutely bamboozled if we lose this trade, and it is what it is. Could have came out break even there. I mean, I'm gonna just take the hit. Whatever. Either you win or you lose. That is that. Pandas, are you ready for this? Diamond Cajon is activated, surely, because I could have skunked it several times now. Could have skunked it here. I could skunk it here still. Probably could still skunk it. Yep, could have skunked it again. Had like 20 chances to skunk this, but Diamond Cajon is activated. We are confident in this trade, and we are going to take it full force here. Diamond Cajon is activated. If we break this low, that's a good sign for us. And if it reverses, that's a bad sign for us. Whoa! Whoa! Are we going to get the push down that we need? Are we going to get the push? Prunus! Are we going to get there? Come on, bottom of the trading range. That's all I asked for. Do the obvious thing. Please do the obvious thing. I don't know if I can take another reversal. I don't think I can take the heat of another reversal here. Can I? Can I take the heat of another reversal here? I can't. I can't. I'm out. I'm out break even. I don't care. I don't care what happens. I can't take the heat. Too much heat. Too much heat, pandas. Too much heat. I can't take it. I can't take it. I'll get stopped out. Here. Let's see if it touches my stop loss. I would have got stopped out right here. This is too much heat. Too much heat for me. Wow. Dame cojones. Truly need to exercise my cojones here. If we don't get stopped out and it actually gets to the bottom of the trading range, absolutely need to practice. Okay, so I would have got stopped out. Good skunk. Amazing skunk, pandas. How in the world did I do that? This was too much heat. And I'm glad I got out. Jeez Louise. Jeez absolutely Louise. That was way too much heat. I'm a fried little panda. I'm a cooked little panda. This is tough. This is tough. We're down 490 is not even that bad, right, pandas? Being down 490 is not even that bad. It's almost a win on a day like today. It's just absolute trading range right now. I mean, should I just sell up here and see what happens? The problem is that we failed to really even, like, if we even make a trend line, we failed to even hit it. Bullish pressure. All right, I'm buying here. Another bull bar I'm buying. Another bull bar I'm buying. I'm buying here. One tick? You serious? One tick?
Target
All right, that's
held.
what I thought. Whoo-wee, that's what I thought. Scared me. It doesn't tick. I thought it was reverse on me at one tick. High or low, I'll take it. I mean, we're breaking out now. We're just absolutely breaking out. It's insano mode right now. It's like a buy anywhere type situation. Pretty much right now. Another higher low, I'm taking it. I might scale in here. Gives me another higher low, I'll scale in.
Target filled.
Okay, I'll take that. Whew, down 40 pandas. We're almost back to break even at least. We're almost back to break. Pandas, I lost count. What's my record right now? Skunk this one. Sell buy. Buy. So that's 1. So that puts me at 7 and 7 here, I believe, right? Puts me at 7 and 7 right there. I'm at 8 and 7. More wins than losses currently. I'm gonna buy this bull bar. 5-minute chart, pandas. I mean, we are just rocketing. We're just rocketing up. Yes, we are. Yes, absolutely we are. I'm gonna buy the strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart. Wide stop. Like really wide stop and actually scale in once.
Target filled.
Where's my sound? Something happened. Why is my head so big? Why did anyone say... There it is. Okay, hold up. Why is my head so big? Pandas, why is my head so big? Why did anyone tell me my head is huge right now? What just happened? Why is my head... Why are my glasses so small on my head? They're so small. Do I just keep buying here, Pandas? Or should I just walk away with my positive 260 because we just did the greatest comeback of all time? Should I just walk away a happy panda and just call it a day? Because today's price action has been absolutely just insano mode. Did I take some NZT? Am I limitless right now? Is my brain limitless? Oh, my brain is actually absolutely tilted out of its mind, but we got our bamboo. Pandas, I'm happy with the green day today because today's absolutely crazy. I'll see you guys on Monday. We're streaming next week. I don't even care if it's a short week. We're streaming. I want to see you guys all on Christmas. Pandas, maybe we'll do a giveaway. How about that? We'll do a giveaway on Christmas. Make sure you're there. I'll see you guys, on Monday. We'll see you guys there. And as always, happy chicken. God bless. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye.